Hi guys, I come to show you today how to use 11 Pro Max replacing the back part and the front. So first I'm going to show you the back. So I'll show you how to use the laser machine to change the back glass. So now this phone is working, it's fine, it's not don't have any problem. So what I'm going to do, I just want to make 10 off this phone. That is 10 off. Then phone is off. Now I'm going to take phone to the machine. Then I'm going to the computer. Then when I go to the computer, you can see here there's a blank, there's no anything. Then I'm going to open, like I click, I'm going to open the phone. That is going to come first, the iPhone. Then what is the iPhone, that one? iPhone 11 Pro Max back part. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, there's the one. Yeah, there is 11 Pro Max. Then I'm going to start. Yes, this is starting. Then I'm not going to use that one to laser to check. I'm going to put on my hand. That is going to be easy for me, and I just put the auto, and I don't need to start. I'm going to use myself with the computer, not to use the many switch. Just keep the automatic, and just put the measurement. Okay, this is ready. Everything is good. You can see the wireless charger. Everything is now. This light is running. Now I'm going to stop and I'm going to start to cut. Let's go to stop to measurement. Then I'm going to use just for the print F2. That's all. Now we start to cut. Eleven Pro Max back glass replacing. I'm finished almost. I'm going to open and see how it looks like. Yes, it's very nice. Just only little glue that you can just pull it up and just clean it is fine, but the main things you can see it, you see how it's feeling is very good. The finishing is very nice. Yeah, that's all.